Greetings of the day. You must be aware of the Anti-Money Laundering and Combating the Financing of Terrorism (AML CFT) policy, which is the cornerstone of any business's AML framework. Merely drafting an AML CFT is not enough, one must successfully implement it. In this video, we will talk about key strategies that businesses must know for excelling in AML CFT policy implementation. In order to excel in implementing AML CFT policies, businesses should focus on several key strategies, such as risk identification and assessment, assessing the existing AML CFT policies, developing appropriate AML CFT frameworks, senior management commitment, leverage technology and automation, audit, testing, and information sharing, update for adaptability and improvement. Let's now look into each of these strategies in detail to understand how they help businesses excel in AML CFT policy implementation. Businesses need to conduct a comprehensive assessment of MLTF risks related to their operations, jurisdiction, customers, products, and delivery channels. It forms the basis of the business's risk-based approach in developing policies and procedures to mitigate MLTF risk, aligning with the business's risk appetite. Such risk assessment at the enterprise level helps in formulating comprehensive and relevant AML CFT policies tailored to the risks they face and come across. Before drafting and documenting new AML CFT policies, businesses should assess their existing ones to ensure its efficacy. Businesses also need to assess the ability of these AML policies, procedures, systems, and controls to identify any existing loopholes or blind spots which criminals might exploit. By assessing existing AML CFT policies, businesses can prepare gap analysis to identify where they can add value to achieve AML compliance. When it comes to AML CFT policies, a blanket approach in adopting policies and procedures does more harm than good. Businesses must be mindful of formulating and implementing AML CFT policies, procedures, systems, and controls based on MLTF risk identification and assessment of MLTF risk typologies. Senior management sets the tone from the top in supporting and prioritizing the implementation of AML CFT compliance. Their commitment towards AML policy implementation shows a positive image that encourages employees to mirror their efforts in implementing AML policies, thus promoting a culture of compliance across the organization. The AML laws in United Arab Emirates, UAE, encourage businesses to rely on the use of technology and automation when it comes to conducting AML compliance processes such as sanctions screening or customer due diligence, CDD. Businesses should consider writing procedures considering the tools deployed to ensure that the users are on the same page when it comes to following the requirements of the internal policies. Businesses must also conduct regular audits and testing of AML CFT policies to identify weaknesses. With such audits, businesses enhance their capabilities and remediate any issues promptly. The information on the audit outcome must be shared on a need-to-know basis. Businesses need to stay updated with the evolving AML CFT regulations as well as any evolving typologies of financial crime. Businesses need to be mindful of changes in customer risk profiles, any updates in FATF grey list and blacklist, or any changes in operations and business structure. By adopting these strategies, you can maintain a proactive approach towards AML CFT compliance, mitigate risk, and combat financial crime effectively. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos by RapidAML.